If you want a way to temporarily disable access to your garage using your Guardian garage door opener, the easiest way is to use the lock feature on your wall button. If your wall button looks like this, all you have to do is shift the lock button over like that, and it will automatically keep any other wireless signal from opening or closing your garage door. Having the lock button on also disables the wall button from working as well. This is a great feature if you have curious little ones who like to press buttons and find a way to reach them. Now if anyone tries to use a remote or a keypad or any other wireless signal to get into your garage, this is what will happen. To unlock the wall button, simply slide the button to the right. Now your remote, keypad, or any other wireless connection you have to your operator will work again. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.